What if I told you that you could get that flawless, radiant, glass skin glow, without expensive products or filters? Yep, it's real, and you can make it at home. This DIY serum is packed with skin-loving ingredients that hydrate, brighten, and tighten, all from your kitchen. Say hello to rice, aloe vera, rose water, glycerin, and essential oils, your new skincare superheroes. Start with 2 tablespoons of soft, cooked rice. Blend it into a smooth gel. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of rose water, 3 to 4 drops of glycerin, and your favorite essential oil, like lavender or sandalwood. Mix it all up. Pour your glowing creation into a clean bottle, and you're ready to shine. Apply just 5 drops to clean skin, morning and night. Gently pat it in and let your skin absorb all that goodness. In just days, you'll notice your complexion looking smoother, brighter, and oh so glowy. No chemicals, no complicated routines, just pure, natural magic. Your skin deserves this glow up. Love this serum? Hit like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell, because next week, I'm dropping a nighttime mask that takes your glow to a whole new level. You won't want to miss it.